Nancy from Austin, Texas, talks about her dental implant treatment in San Jose, Costa Rica. This is a two-part video series.
Our experience in Costa Rica was so pleasant, and we decided to go back for another round at this. I'm going to get some facial work done. Very happy with Costa Rica. We drove all over. We saw the facilities. I can't think of a thing offhand. I think it was well handled. The minute we got off the airplane, there were people to meet us. Taxi took us directly to the hotel. Everything was seamless. Nothing went wrong. There were no problems. Can you think of any problems? No. I think it just went swell.
Okay.
Communication was great. I think one day the doctor had to change our appointment. They left messages at the hotel. We were at the pool, so they left messages. It was not a problem. They were always promptly there to pick us up on time, bring us back. And on top of that, we wanted to go to the grocery store. So Roberta told the driver, and they go to this grocery store. They want to go shopping. So he took us shopping, went in with us, helped us find things. Very pleasant, and then took us back to the hotel. Because we had appointments, we couldn't go too far away. We had hoped we could go to the Pacific and stay for a night or two, but it didn't work out that way. But we rented a car. We had a car for 3 days. And so we just took off and went traveling. We went up to a volcano and went to Manuel Antonio, to the Pacific. It was a beautiful country. It was very easy to get around, except downtown. We had a little trouble downtown with the traffic in San Jose because we had rented a car with a GPS system that was a little bit out of date, so it kept getting us a little bit lost. But we had a great time, and we went through parts of San Jose that were poor. We didn't feel like we were in danger. We just thought these people were poor. That was all. And we saw a lot of the San Jose and Costa Rica. We drove around a lot. It was great, beautiful. Food was great. Hotel was great. The hotel that New Smile had recommended, 10 or 12. They were all great, I guess, but we picked one and we loved it. We were very happy. I think we were quoted less than $5,000 for the 4 implants. And again, here it was $20,000 for the 4 implants. And when we got there, looked and he evaluated and he said, if you were my mother, this is what I would do. I would recommend. And I appreciated that because I'm not going to be using these teeth for 50 more years. So I appreciated what he said. And it made sense, and it was less stress on me. And they work just fine. I can eat whatever I want without the stress of implants. And I do have bone loss, and that alleviated that problem because it's a bridge, and it works just fine. Again, I've had bone loss, and my periodontist told me I would lose my front 4 teeth, and it did happen. So I had what is called a flipper. And you put it in the morning, you take it out at night, and it wasn't very pleasant, and I couldn't bite into anything. And so I had to do something, and I just didn't want to pay $20,000 for 4 teeth. And I found in Costa Rica I could get the job done for $5,000 if that's what I chose to do. I suggested not to do that either. And he said, I could charge you the $5,000 and do the 4 implants. But I think you'd be better off with the bridge and the 2 crowns. So it was 2 crowns, a bridge with 4 teeth for less than $3,000. And I am thoroughly happy with them. Thoroughly. I have no problems. I can bite into anything.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com. for a free quote.